Hi friends, welcome to my new video, Water Divining Part 2. This diagram is referred from Wikipedia and some of geological department, even from my experience of dowsing and from borewell drillers. This is hardened rock. In this rock we won't get water. In some of Tamil Nadu area, this rock depth will be more. This color of rocks will be soft. Like this different color of layers of rocks, it is called aquifers. This vadose zone and the zone of saturation, it means water table. And groundwater recharge through plants' roots, gravels, sand, silt. This is the showing of saturation, that is water table. Pond water and groundwater is flowing into aquifer through gravels and rock fracture. Water stored will be between the layer of aquifers. The blue color shows the water pocket. In between the layer of rocks, the water will be stored. That we used to say water bucket. Now you can see rock dust, that is dark color, and water has started coming, that is light color. Now I am drawing an open well. The depth of the well is up to the water table's spring. First man is drilling the bore well here. He has put approximately more than 300 feet. Assume he got water on 300 feet. Some cases the rock fracture will cross the bore well. It will be like this, and he will get sufficient water only when the bore reaches the water pocket. This is casing line. While drilling the bore, after reaching the rock below 10 feet, they will insert the casing pipe like this, so that the gravels, sand, silt won't go inside the bore. Here they are inserting two casing pipes is joining. Drilling reach to water pocket, water pressure will be like this. Second man is drilling a bore in this area. Here we assume he is getting water in 200 feet. The previous man's water pocket and this man's water pocket is entirely different. It is not the same aquifer. The third man is drilling a bore here. Assume he is getting a water in 150 feet. We will see what will happen. Water storing depends upon rainfall. If 1 or 2 years there is no much rain in this area, the third man won't get water due to the second and third man put the bore on the same aquifer. The water level varies. Here the second man will get sufficient water. This kind of situation is very rare. So far I am not experienced, but I heard it has happened near to my place. That's why I drew the diagram this way. This is a dowsing rod which I have shown in my Malayalam video. I have given the link in my description box. You can check it. See, I am holding the dowsing rod straight and I am searching the water pocket area. When I reaches the water flowing or water pocket area, see this dowsing rod or getting crossed. See, here I am using a metal cross to point out the water pocket area to drill borewell here. See, when I reaches the water pocket area, it rotates itself. Some of dowsers use pendulum. This area they will drill. You can see the water pressure and water depth is 200 feet. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.